In this video, I will reveal how the 4,000 different curiosities that people have can make you $840,000 online without any investment. I will also show you how this one channel on YouTube has been able to make over this much amount every year by simply being curious about the world around us. They are doing it every day, so can you. All you need is one skill. Get free information from the internet and just copy and paste. I'm not kidding, just that. You don't need any special skills or experience. You don't need any equipment, you don't need training, you don't need a website. It can be done from anywhere on the planet, from any country and any city. You can withdraw money from PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, bank deposit, or any other crypto or digital currency. I will go step by step. I will also share how you can get free entry into my premium software. So make sure you stick to the end of this video. Before we move forward, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, share this video with your friends and family. This is very important because this way you as well as your friends will learn how to make money online the real way, the easy way, and the fun way, and you will get notified when we upload our next money making video. By the way, all of our viewers are getting our premium softwares free. Links are all in the description. You will get it free if you share with your friends and family. They will also get it free. Please don't miss a single step till the end of this video because every step is important. If you skip any step, maybe you won't be able to make any money in this system. So stay tuned. My name is Mosh Bari and I have been online since 2010 and currently running a 7-figure per year software company. We have 100,000 plus happy clients, customers, and our software users worldwide, and it's growing fast. Another way we make money is our videos. Apart from this channel, we have 10 plus other channels on different niches where we don't use cameras. We don't use voiceovers like this. And we don't even write scripts. We use our software Epic instead of all this. Because Epic allows us to make videos without writing script, without using camera, and without even speaking for voiceovers. Epic's artificial intelligence makes videos from free public image links. It writes the scripts for us, and its natural text to voice feature creates voiceover for us. And Epic allows us to make videos from tiny bite-sized videos, compile them as one video, and boom! In one click, the videos are ready. We can download them, upload them, use them. Epic also helps us make online courses from our videos that attract customers and we make money from them. You can try Epic for free. Link is in the description. Go grab it. When I was young, just like any other kid, I used to get curious seeing how toys work, how generators work, how my remote cars work, what's the other side of the clouds, and so on. I used to take my toys apart to see how they work on the inside. What's inside the toy? How do the different parts work together to make it move or light up? And the sad part is, I destroyed most of the stuff I took apart, including my favorite remote cars. But little did I know that it's not just me, but almost every other person on the planet does the same thing. Everybody wants to know how things work, the inner workings of different gadgets, machines, and even nature. This is the secret of this system that I'm about to share with you. Using curiosity. Do you not understand what the secret is to making money online? You guessed it, to tell people what they want to know and show them what they want to see. For example, if you go to YouTube and search what's inside the sun, you'll see hundreds of videos in results, and all the videos have 100,000 views, if not millions. People want to know what's inside the sun, and channels are making money by telling them what's inside the sun. And interestingly, this information is free on the internet. If you go one step further and search what's inside the black hole, again, you'll see hundreds of videos and millions of views. See, people's curiosity never ends. Over 1 million people search for 4,000 different What's Inside videos on Google every month. To give you a full scoop of how curiosity can make you money, let me show you a real life example. See, this What's Inside channel on YouTube, this channel has almost 9 million subscribers and over 1 billion views. Now let's do the math here. If this channel gets 1 million views per video, which is completely reasonable because most of their videos have millions of views, they are making $840,000 per year. And this is just from one channel on YouTube. There are many other channels like this out there, and some of them are making even more money. If you just search What's Inside on YouTube, you will see people search this term millions of times every month. What's inside the pyramid of Egypt? What's inside the moon? What's inside Jupiter? What's inside Earth's core? And so on. Think about it. If you can tap into a fraction of that traffic and show or tell people what they want to know, you can make a lot of money. And this doesn't need knowledge and experience. Mosh, are you asking me to spend hours making videos and post them on YouTube? No, I'm not telling you that. I'm asking you to use my software Epic and let Epic make 1-minute short videos for you. Let me show you in my mobile. So I'm searching with What's Inside a black hole, and I'll show you the results here. You see the results? The first one is a long video, second one is a long video. Now starts the shorts feed. You see all these videos, these are all 1 minute long short videos. The first video has 2.4 million views and the second video has 3.6 million views. 6.5 millions and 2.8 millions. 6.1 million, 2.2 millions. 10 million views, 500,000 views. 6 million and 6 million views. Easy trick. 1 minute video and millions of views. By the way, this is not a coincidence. Just search anything with your phone. On YouTube, you will see YouTube Shorts and you'll see they have millions of views. This means by just using YouTube Shorts feature, you can get millions of views and make thousands of dollars in income. Did you like this video so far? If you haven't hit the like button yet, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines, your WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups that you are in. This way, you are helping others by sharing knowledge on how they can also earn money on the internet by using this free stuff. And of course, for everyone, my softwares are free. Links are in the description. Isn't this amazing? In case you are thinking why I specifically showed you example of shorts while there are long form videos as well, two major reasons for that. Number one, YouTube is promoting shorts videos these days because shorts is a new feature on YouTube and YouTube is trying to make shorts popular to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. And number two, when you cover a hot and popular topic like this, it helps YouTube get more new viewers and makes current viewers stay on YouTube for a longer period. So it's a win-win for YouTube, for us the creators, and of course the visitors who are looking for something. The best part is that you don't need to worry about marketing the videos, getting views, etc. as the YouTube algorithm is doing it for you. As soon as you make a new short YouTube video, YouTube will start promoting it to millions of viewers around the world and you will start making money. This is how you can make full-time income from YouTube without even showing your face on the camera. All you need is to have fun using my software Epic. Your free access link is in the description. Go get it from the description below. It's free to try, and let me show you how to use this software to make your first video in less than 3 minutes. Now let's make shorts about what's inside the black hole using Epic. So select vertical, name your project, click the create button. Go to the image section, click Pixabay tab and search with the keyword black hole, hit enter, and you'll find all different results from Pixabay. These images are free to use, and just one click and your chosen image will be on the canvas. Now you can rotate it. You can add another image or any number of image you want, a little bit rotated to make it nice and dramatic. And let's use another one. A little bit of pan and rotate to match your taste. And when you are ready, just click the save button to save your campaign. This is one clip. You can add any number of clips you want. Click the new and then create. A new clip is created. You can work on it again, adding more images in the same process to add more twist in the story. Now we need voiceover. So for that, go to the audio section, and there are 3 different options. You can upload your recorded voiceover or record directly from your microphone, or this is the best part, you can turn any text into your audio. So I'm gonna Google for any information I want and copy this text just to show you how it works. Go to the text to audio section, give it a title, choose your favorite voiceover artist and paste the text, click submit, and your voiceover is ready in a matter of seconds. So now in the text to audio section, text to audio tab, go click add, and the audio is added in the clip. Now in the custom timeline, you can decide at which point which element in the canvas will show. You can do the same process as long as you want and make as long video as you want. Once you are ready, click the save button and your video campaign is saved. Then click the render button and your video will be created in the background. When your video is ready, you will get an email like this from where you know that your video is ready. You can come back to Epic, play the video, download the video into your hard drive, and then upload it anywhere you want and get traffic, leads, and sales. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Or you can upload directly from the platform to YouTube or Vimeo, or you can share your videos with others using S3, Dropbox, or Google Drive. Did you like your video? We put a lot of effort on it so you learn how to make money online the easy way, right way, and the fun way. We also want you to get access to our premium software for free, try them, and make videos and make money. So I seriously believe this generosity deserves a like on the video. Please hit the like button if you haven't yet, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and switch on the notification bell button. This notification bell button will help you get notified when we upload our next How to Make Money Online on 2022 video. And we will highly appreciate if you share our video with your friends and family, social media contacts, and your social media timelines, and your Facebook and Telegram and WhatsApp groups, so others will also learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way and the fun way, and everybody gets access to our software for free. This way, you will become a cool person in front of them, and probably they will start following you, and in future, they will become your customer as well. So go ahead, do all the stuff, and we will see you in the next video.